Ebola, social media fit make you feel like say everybody dey succeed apart from you. You go open your phone, you go see one person don sign contract, another person don travel, person don buy new boots, another person don dey play for big competition. You go start dey ask yourself say what about me? What about you ke? You dey see their highlight but you dey see their struggle, you dey see their real struggle. No dey compare your real life to person best moment online o. Sometimes if you dey see all those things, bro, close dat your phone, carry your boots go train, go learn, go work on yourself. I go lie for you, your own story still dey write. E never come now no mean say e no go come, but you dey work on yourself because you no wan hear say if dat story come, I dey talk am, if dat story come like wey you no dey prepared, na journey we still dey, everybody go make am. Get why?